9:30 a.m. and he's still working on it. See his little eye. So cute. Can't wait to see you, little one. I heard that little peep. Come on, we're waiting on you. Come on. Look what Little Bit did in the last 10 minutes of me going to sit down and looking up some information. Oh, Blicky. Oh my goodness.
You say hi.
He's coming. Or she. Nearly 10:30. The first chick from Valentino and Raven. Their first baby. Baby. Oh, where does our other eggs? Turning. Yay, you're completely free. Almost 5 o'clock, and he's getting very fluffy on his downside. He's been so active, peeping and running around. Here he goes. Tired. He has been going ever since he came out of that egg. his little sibling in the egg. So cute. We are just 3 hours from being 24 hours old. He's starting to get very fluffy. Taking a little snooze there. Say hey, Bubby. Hi. Oh, he's so tired. Can you show him your walk? Show him how good you walk. There you go. Look at them. Look at him. It's now been 24 hours since the little one has been hatched, so we are going to move it over to the brooder. He's so tired. We are gonna be very careful with this little egg here. It is supposed to start hatching tonight for tomorrow's hatch date. So we don't want it to accidentally come out. It's the first time we've opened the incubator. Oh, little guy. Ah! Sorry about that. Hi, honey.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, you want to get in my hand? Come here. Oh, goodness. Come on.
Oh, how soft is he?
Oh. You wanted to get in my hand, sweetheart. Want to go see your new home? Go see your mommy and daddy?
Taking the little chick to its brooder. Go see its parents first. Alright, our little chick is seeing his mommy and daddy.
Hi, mommy, daddy.
Oh, so that's the mom and dad.
Raven and Valentino.
Yep. Alright, here he goes in his home. It's home until we find out.
Here's your new home for now. Go explore.
Yeah, it's a little cold and scary. It's a big... You have a big bedroom. Yes, it's okay. So, she's showing him his water.
Here's your food.
Yep. Oh, is he eating?
Mm-hmm.
He is? Oh. Did that scare you? Did that scare you?
We're going to show you where to get warm here in just a second. Get some more food. Show you where to get warm. This is where you're gonna get warm.
He doesn't want to.
I think I'm gonna make it a little bit higher. Oh, it's falling my hand. Keep pulling my hand away and he's falling my hand.
He's not peeping anymore, that's good. That means he's warm. Don't forget to subscribe, share, click that notification button to make sure you miss any of our videos, and give us a big thumbs up.
Until next time.
Peace and respect. Peace out.